Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram search history at once. So if you don't want anyone to see your search history, but you have a lot searches, and if you delete one by one, that process would be very long, so I will show you a way with which you can do it with one click. Just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First step is to go on your Instagram app. Then you need to go on your profile by tapping on this little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on your activity. Now scroll down to find recent searches, and when you find, go on it. On this menu you can delete your searches one by one, but that process will be long, so then tap on this button where is written clear all, and confirm you want to clear your searches, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.